The rise of Asian Paints. Asian Paints is one of the biggest companies in India. It started off as a company that painted horns of bulls in villages to now painting homes all across the nation. The growth of Asian Paints and its increase in stock prices made many investors question its long-term growth, as the real estate market was drying up and many homes remained unsold in Pune, Bangalore and other major cities. But still, Asian Paints grew. This is because 90% of its revenue comes from painting existing homes. What makes Asian Paints unique? Asian Paints is unique because it has good cash management system. The cash conversion cycle of Asian Paints is mere 25 to 30 days as compared to Nerolac and Berger, which is 50 and 59 days respectively. This means that Asian Paints take only 25 to 30 days to sell the products, procure the investments and cash from the concerned party, and pay off its suppliers. This is because Asian Paints has the ability to restock its products within 2 to 3 days. The wholesalers buy the products from Asian Paints according to the requirements of the customer and pay off the money immediately, instead of having a long credit system where the company has to wait for the customers and then pay off the money to the company. What is delayed differentiation? Asian Paints uses a unique tactic to meet the requirements of the customer. Each customer wants different shades of colors to be painted in their homes. In order to ensure that it doesn't make the customers wait for a long duration, Asian Paints uses tinting machines. It is a process by which the colors are mixed in the final step. The right combination that is required to procure the shade as required by the customers is done and is sold to the customers. Berger and Nerolac have combined 20,000 tinting machines as compared to Asian Paints, which has 43,000 tinting machines, which makes it a market leader. Asian Paints has another huge advantage. Its network base is spread nationally and internationally. Many shopkeepers prefer to sell Asian Paints as it has good brand value. Asian Paints is moving towards water-based products as well. Instead of depending too much on crude oil and titanium dioxide, it is moving towards eco-friendliness. And this also decreases the cost of production. Asian Paints is planning to increase the quantity of production from 1.1 trillion liters to 2.2 trillion liters. This paint is enough to paint almost 60% of the surface of Moon. Also, Asian Paints always procures the best employees. Right from 1969, it hires graduates from IIMs, IITs, and it has one of the best technical support teams and has automated warehousing from a very long time. This shows that Asian Paints has good cultural growth and smart way of conduction of business. Thus, Asian Paints continues to stand tall and rise higher as days pass by. Thank you. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe.